Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia. We are on day 2 of our Marchesi vocal method, January 2nd, 2021. And today we're going to be doing exercise number 2, which are chromatic slurs. And this exercise focuses on the middle octave. So it's really going to be strengthening that idea of shedding weight as we go from the bottom of the voice into the upper middle.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
One thing to be really careful about in this exercise, especially as we move forward into more advanced techniques, is that we are not carrying too much vocal weight from the first note to the next note. So we really need to be tapped into this resonance here, that we're not pushing into this area, we're allowing the backspace to open, but we're feeling the thread of the sound stay centered here as we go from the bottom pitch to the upper pitch. It's really important too that the release on this pitch, on the upper note, does not choke. And this can be very challenging. So I really want you to focus on the middle octave as we're doing it today, that you don't feel any kind of contraction in the throat as we go from the first note to the second note. So we've got 2 beats on one note, then we go to the chromatic on 1 beat and 1 beat of rest. So, one thing you can also keep in mind as you're going from one note to the next is this feeling of sighing. Ah, ah, so that it's not driven. Ah, that will be your cue that you're kind of using a little bit too much muscular effort and a little bit too much breath pressure. So, let's give this a try today and see how we feel going into the diatonic slur tomorrow.